Here we go again. New name, new town, and a whole lot of suckers. The name's Nicky Simpson, but I've been called many things. Conman, grifter, sham, fraud. But I prefer to think of myself as a businessman and an actor. And now, it's time to take the stage.
Congrats on the promotion, Billy. Couldn't have happened to a better guy.
Thanks, Mike. You know, I always say hard work and honesty go a long way.
So where are we going, boss?
Oh, please, don't start with that already. But, you know, since I have the authority, how about Sloan's? I could use some pizza.
That sounds good.
Meet you guys there?
Okay.
I am stuffed. I'm gonna need a nap when we get back to the office.
Why do you think I take so many bathroom breaks?
Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Here's your checks. Take your time. Oh, dang it. I left my wallet at the office.
It's cool. I'll cover you.
Are you sure? I hate to impose on you, especially now that I'm your boss.
Dude, chill. It's like $7. I think I can afford it. You can get me back next time.
Thanks again. I'll get you some cash when we get back to the office.
It's fine. We'll see you back there.
And now look at the thing.
These refills are free, right?
I've had my bags packed for days, just biding my time like a cobra waiting to strike. It's the perfect con. So simple, so elegant. Nobody sees it coming. In Paris, I snagged a free baguette. St. Petersburg was my first okroshka. Free cream pies in Boston. And I got food poisoning in Key West. And they say there's no such thing as a free lunch.
What?
What? Each time, at the end, I just ride off into the sunset. Mission accomplished.
But in the course of that whole story, you mentioned like a dozen occasions that you bought lunch for your coworkers.
And?
Well, doesn't that mean you lost money overall? Thank you, sir. God bless. I mean, you paid for that pizza like 10 times over.
It was a supreme pizza. And don't forget the Diet Pepsi.
To me, it seems like you just lost great friends and a job for something meaningless.
I had to gain the Mark's trust, didn't I? That's the whole point of the long con. I'm beginning to think you don't even want the rest of my candy bar.
No, wait. I'm sorry. Got a 401k and everything.
Hey, Dan. You still going to that Thai place?
You know it. I just need to run to the car for a sec.
All right, I'll see you there.
I don't understand why you've been telling me all this.
It's not like it was anymore, kid. The years, they add up. Flim-flamming is a young man's game, and I think it might be time for me to retire. But not before I find an apprentice. Someone who can learn my secrets.
Who, me?
You have the gift, kid. Trust me. I can tell. You could be a world-class grifter.
When do we start?
11 o'clock. Tonight. Here. Get ready, because your life is going to change. Oh, and there's the little matter of the $9 registration fee. All too easy.
Enjoy the pizza, Billy. Where's my $7, Billy?
Billy, you said you were going to get me back at the office. I waited, Billy. Might as well have your mommy package free lunch. Free lunches are over, Billy.
My cat? He's not coming back, is he? Dang it! So it didn't seem right. It didn't feel right.